Why, hello, Amazon. Thank you for coming to my wine and cheese party, presented to you by my SMIRLY cheese board. This is an amazing way to showcase to all your friends and family and to yourself, to your romantic partner, your lover, how much you love wine and cheese. First, look at this Lazy Susan. Just a round plate, which could be put on a table, on a nice beautiful stone, next to a creek or next to a lake. And in here you can have, let's say, some jam and different fruits, some grapes, maybe some red grapes, white grapes, cotton candy grapes, a little silliness, a little fun, or even some apple slices. And in the middle, some beautiful cheese or jam. And then you put it on top of the rest of the board and it spins. Easy for your guests to serve themselves. Amazing. Magic. Pure magic. Beautiful ramekins that come with this. You can put any kind of almonds or cornichons. Those lovely little pickles can go right in these jars and fit on any corner, but especially in this corner here where it has these designated holes. SMIRLY takes care of everything for you. No more stress about how will you present your cornichons. You have the perfect place for them right here in your SMIRLY board. It's amazing. And best of all, look at the actual board itself. I love these indentations, these grooves. Nice, wonderful design for your bread, for your baguette, for your crackers. No Ritz here, no Ritz, please. Just really beautiful club crackers, sesame crackers, everything fits right here. And then when you open this up, oh, excuse me, you have a way to make sure everything is used properly with all the different cheese knives you might need. And of course, ooh, excuse me, it's being a little stuck, a little difficult fellow here. There we are, and of course, little placards with chalk pens that you write on to make sure that everyone knows what they are eating. There's no unknown here. It's just you, your family, your friends, your lover, by a creek, by a lake, enjoying your cheese, enjoying your charcuterie, and it's incredible. So you can go ahead and put something like Orca on this. Stick it in your cheese, your Orca cheese, and that's it. Everyone knows they're enjoying the wonderful pungent richness and flavor and nuttiness of Orca. It's amazing. SMIRLY really thought of everything with this set. It really is going to upgrade your home entertaining. It's going to upgrade how you have parties. It can even upgrade what you bring to parties. If you're going to bring the platter, why not bring it on the SMIRLY cheese board so everyone can enjoy their time by the creek, their time by the lake. It's amazing. Absolutely fantastic, beautiful design. Can't recommend it enough. You will love it. Definitely check this one out.